Hi everyone, this is Dev Sharma from Capitalize Consulting coming to you with another Power BI ChatGPT video. In this video, we'll be looking at the direct query mode in Power BI and see how ChatGPT can help us to understand, analyze, and document our SQL code. We look at a use case where a Power BI developer has no knowledge of SQL and needs to document the SQL query and add more information to it. As you can see in our use case, the mode of connection over here is a direct query. And as you would know, that direct query lets you to connect Power BI directly to the data source, enabling real-time analysis. And instead of importing and refreshing data periodically, direct query fetches data directly from the source system wherever the query is executed. And this ensures that your reports and dashboards always reflect the most up-to-date information, which is crucial for making timely and informed business decisions. So you can see that this is our SQL query, which may be provided to us by a SQL developer on the team. Now, if you need to update or extend the query in the future, having a solid understanding of the SQL commands allows you to make necessary changes confidently without relying solely on external assistance like a SQL developer on your team. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this SQL command, and then I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create documentation for this. Okay, and here it is. For every single clause, ChatGPT is letting me know what is going on. So it looks like in this query, we are joining the customers and orders table with the ID field as the reference key. The type of join is a left join, and we are filtering for order data to pull all the information starting from 2023 till June 30th, 2023 of this year. And then we are grouping the customer ID and customer name that have an order of more than 1,000. Looks like we're also adding all their orders and pulling this information as orders spent. And then we are ordering our table in a descending order by the total spent of each customer. Now, suppose we would want to see the average spent by each customer as well. As you would recall in our use case, it requires us to go to our SQL developer. But let's see if ChatGPT has a solution for us. So I'm going to write a simple prompt, and it's going to be, can you also take the average spent by each customer? And then let's pull this back as average spent. And here's the updated query for us. Looks like that aggregation for average has been added. And again, we're pulling this information as average spent. All we have to do is copy this query and go back to our Power BI environment and execute this, then in a direct query mode. By understanding the query in direct query mode, you gain control and adaptability in working with your data. It empowers you to optimize, customize, and maintain the query effectively, leading to better collaboration and enhanced analytical capabilities. Try it out for yourself and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.